I wanted to ask you about what happened on the set of Rust with Alec Baldwin and like, guns and that sort of stuff. Like, have you
Mhm.
ever dealt with guns on sets, like protocols and stuff? Like, did that seem out
Yeah,
of place, like what happened, or I don't know.
it's entirely out of. I mean, I'm not an expert to really give a major opinion other than just it's tragic and it should.
100%. Yeah, 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 for sure.
Like
Absolutely.
it's just and now it's the gun. It's a big part of movies to have weapons in movies, but
Sure.
but safety is paramount in all cases. Uh, not just when it comes to weapon element, but like yeah, it's a total tragedy. Shouldn't have happened. And you know someone lost a family member, and it's like it's one thing about her being an extreme talent in her industry. There's all those different. It's just like it's just
Absolutely. That's make believe, right? Like you're playing, not that, but it's like, right? This is like more, this is make believe for someone to really lose their life. Like that's crazy. That just like, it was so tragic, dude. Have you ever worked with guns on sets before? Is that
yeah,
known?
yeah, no,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, no. We yeah, and you have all of the precautions that you do every scene,
Okay. Yeah,
and that's
yeah.
the thing. It's like, and it's just and none of it just it doesn't make any sense. So that's the thing. It's even on like small budget stuff. It just doesn't make any sense
Yeah,
for that to ever happen. And it's
sure.
just and it's not good for the industry, but for people in general. Like you said, make believe thing. Let's we we get so passionate and so obsessed over whatever we're creating that we then let this like we let the fact that this is it's important and it's important, but nothing is as important like it's
Absolutely.
like it's like I always just say that I value time over money, and that's probably why I do
Me
what I
too.
do.
Me
You know,
too. I'm the same
um,
way.
and that's the thing is that time got cut short.
Yeah.
So and so that's not it's not like that. Yeah, I would be doing. I'd rather but it's just it's heartbreaking.
No, for sure. I mean, it's going to have to change the industry, right? I've seen a lot of in the news of different, showrunners or director, this that being like, you know what, not using any more guns on my set. We're going to do everything CG, whatever the
Right.
deal is, right? Like we'll put in the blast after, sort of thing, the effect afterwards or whatever.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I could imagine it's absolutely just going to change everything for a lot of sets moving forward and stuff. But the computer technology and like all
It's
this
great.
stuff, right? CJ, it's come so far, right? Like it's
Right.
unbelievable. So I mean, there's the things people can do on their own laptops. So,
Yeah.
unbelievable.
Totally insane. No, it
Yeah,
is. It's totally insane. And there are so many talented people that are out there. You know what? That can get more post jobs going for people who are masters at that.
there you
You
go.
know,
Yeah, that's
like
just creating more opportunities, right? Yeah, that's a
yeah.
good point. That's a good point. I
No
never thought about
no
that.
one's paying that. No one's paying that gun. I mean, I guess,
Yeah,
but no,
for real.
but no, but I mean, but as far as having a weapon, a weaponry person, that is another job, and that's why it's just so like it's like that's
Sure.
it just still doesn't make any sense. I think that that's the good thing that there is really a place now that we can move on because technology is that good, but at the same time there are so many things that have been in place for that to never ever have happened.
I see what you're
That's
saying. Yeah, yeah,
you know
I see what you're saying for sure. I mean, look, if we're looking at statistics, how many movies have been made and how many people have died by the guy? It's not really that many. So I mean, it's not, the odds are kind of like in the favor, right? I get it should never happen, but it's not like it happens all the time. Or maybe I don't know about it. I don't know. As just a regular fan of movies, like maybe it just doesn't come in the news. But it's not like I've. The last thing I remember was Brandon Lee when I was a kid
yeah, that's
from
exactly
The Crow.
yep.
That's what I remember. And just thinking, whoa, that did seem insane at that time. I was probably
Right.
13 or something, or 12. I can't remember. But yeah, that seemed crazy. But that's the last time I remember something like that happening.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, for sure. It's tragic, man. It is. Again, it's anybody losing their life or any sort of situation, but especially something like that. They're just not expecting. What's going on.